What do you think about these lashes? Are they too dramatic? So hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a tutorial on this halo eye look using the Tammi palette. I really love this palette. It's really vibrant, as you can see, and I'm pretty sure this is the most dramatic look I've ever done in my entire life. So I'm going to start with priming my eyes. I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Define in 12.5. So first I'm using that bright orange shade. So next I'm gonna go in with pink shade. Then I'm gonna go in with that deep purple. So to deepen the corners slightly, a little bit more, I'm gonna use that black. So I'm gonna use the Conceal and Define again to cut the halo. So next I'm gonna go in with that shimmery purple color. I'm going to use that same brush and then go into that shimmery orange. bright yellow gold. And last but not least, I'm gonna go in with the champagne gold color. So I'm gonna go off and finish my makeup and then I'll be right back. What do you think about these lashes? Are they too dramatic? I don't know. Like, I like them, but at the same time I'm not used to wearing lashes that are this big, so I don't know. They're cute, but do I look crazy? So this is the finished look. I finished the look by adding some of the orange and some of the matte orange and some of the matte purple to like my under eyes, and doing a very slim liner and adding some huge lashes on. I did use a little bit of kohl eyeliner in the corner of my eye. The good thing about this palette is that you can do more dramatic looks and you can do more simple everyday goods. If you would like me to do a video on a more everyday look using the Tammi palette, then let me know down in the comments.